guys, this is Megan. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this Nenrent Bluetooth earbud. I got this off Amazon. It's $19.99, although it says right now there's a deal for Prime users. You can get it for $16.99 with a free shipping. It is compatible with iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, and HTC smartphones. So yeah, let's check this out and see what it's all about. Never used these before, so I'm excited to see how these work. Here we go. I just changed the camera angle so you can see it better. So it comes in this nice little case. We're going to open this up, see what is in here. So within the case, I've got this nice little carrying case for the earbuds. Also looks like this is just instruction manual. So here's the model number. You can see it right here. Just top the box. Open this up. So inside the thing here we have a charging cord, and it's kind of nice because you can see it's USB, and then it's got that tiny little port that's going to go into the earbud. So we've got a nice little carabiner here that can snap right onto the case. And then the earbud here. See, that's nice. So it does come with an extra one of these little plastic things you can put on the end here to protect your ear. So it looks like it goes like that. And then I'll have to read how to use it, but it looks like this is going to turn it on. That's your little charging port. And let's see, we'll try it right here. Yeah, it fits comfortably right in your ear like this. Not too bright colored, so it doesn't stand out too much. So yeah, I'm excited to check this out and see how it works. I've never used these before, but I think it would be safer to drive. When I'm taking calls and stuff while driving, to have an earbud, or just for listening to music. It's good to have one ear free, maybe when you're running, for safety reasons. So definitely a useful product, and definitely a good way to stay hands free, whether it's driving or listening to music. So thanks for listening, guys. If you want one of these, check it out on Amazon. Feel free to follow me on YouTube or social at mnrunner89. Thanks.